Alright guys, update. Just took off all of the Gorilla Glue, and just the fact that I was able to take it off says something. I took it off because obviously it was coming off, it was not good. Don't buy Gorilla Glue. So I just finished cutting up some of these little rectangles, and they're going to serve as little hinges that I can put on over here, and I will be able to attach them onto my car that way. Alright, update guys. I just finished putting on all these little brackets. So those are gonna stick onto my car. And I'm gonna go and tape up these parts over here so that when I plasti dip them, I'm not gonna get plasti dip everywhere. First coat is on, and I'm a little confused because it is not at all the same consistency as when I used it last. This time it was a lot more watery, which is what I needed when I was doing my taillights, but I don't know how plasti dip works, I guess. So it looks like the first coat of plasti dip is about dry. I'm gonna go put on probably one more, three more, two more actually, and progress reports. Nothing like sitting, eating, and watching plasti dip dry. Guys, this rice pudding is the best. Nothing, I don't care what you say, nothing is better than that rice pudding. I think it's time to flip them over and do the other side. They're looking pretty good though, I have to say. Not too bad for homemade Canards. We got a big emergency. I just ran out of this plasti dip, but I always come prepared, right? Yeah. Let's go check if they're dry. Oh yeah, they're looking good. So they're gonna go on like this. Oh, no, please, no. Not too bad. I should have thought of that before I did that. No, it didn't. Thank you. Thank you. So these are gonna go on like this on top of this. So that's gonna be interesting. And these ones are gonna go, of course, like this. So I'm gonna go try to tape them onto my car just to see how they look, and then I'll find some how to glue them on or something. So I have one of the Canards on, or one of the sets on, and I think it looks pretty good. I gotta say, it looks pretty nice. So I just tested if glue gun glue can stick on the front of my car, and the verdict, it stuck so well I had to cut it off with a knife. Not sure if that's good or bad.